Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Yes, today we are going to see this Matchbox cars. We have saw like 10 cars came out I think in the singles of Matchbox, and now they are available in India somehow. I have bought only these three because I really like these three only, and I thought why not, let's make a video and show it to you guys. So first I'm going to open this beauty. This one is from the first Jurassic Park movie. It's the Ford Explorer. We have already saw the version of this, which was a destroyed version from the movie, which was destroyed by the T-Rex in the movie. I'm sorry for that. Now let me just set up this and so that I'll open and show you guys. But this time I found the correct version. The before version, before it was destroyed by the T-Rex. And here is your here is your car. Let's check out the base first. We have some detailings over here, some threaded. Yeah, this looks cool actually. It used to move on the rail, and that's why the wheels are like this. Let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look. So this is your Ford Explorer from the Jurassic Park. It really just, it's not just the Explorer, it explore all the memories of the childhood. I used to see this, I used to watch this movie, I used to think that maybe someday I'll have something like this, and thanks to Matchbox for making it possible. This is such a cool car. We do not have any detailing over the back or on the front light, but all the side detailing and on the top, they have gave all the possible detailings that were on the actual car in the movie. So it's really nice to see this. Now let's move to the next one. This is a cool one, man. This is a cool one, really. And actually, I'll open this one the last. I really like this car actually. I like this too, but I'll open it before that. It's 2019 cheap Gladiator. Okay, so we have this piece also. Let's put this here and have a look on this car. And here's your base. There are some detailing, blah blah. And the wheels look fine, and so is the truck. The Jeep is cool. All the Jeeps are so cool. I love Jeeps. This Jeep looks really very cool with the wide wheels, and the stances are really perfect. We do not have any detailing on the back or on the front lights, but we have all the details on the sides. We have the plug, we have the Jurassic Park logo, and there is some other accessories and stuff. Looks really cool. This Jeep look really very cool, and even it looks quite wide, even though it is not very wide, but still it looks good. And you can see on the top also there is some stuff in the back and on the top both. So yeah, perfect for off-roading. And last for today, we have this beautiful car from the very latest Jurassic World rebirth. It's off-road engine vehicle. This is the vehicle in which the villain ran in the Lost and killed by the T-Rex. Look at this cool car. When I saw the first time, I decided if it's coming out, I'm gonna buy it no matter the price. If I had to pay the hyped price, I would have paid for this. This is your base, this is your car, and the gladiator have already moved because it's a smart one. It know that another car is coming. Let's have a closer look. Here is your EV from the Jurassic World Rebirth. This is actually a very cool car. You might have seen it in the climax scene of the movie. The villain took it, and then the D-Rex attacked the villain. It was this car. It looks really nice with all the headlights and focus lights on the front. The sides look good in this Jurassic Park color, red and beige. We have tail light here, we have this top, different kind of top it is. Looks really cool, right? I actually saw another video of this car on the YouTube and it was quite cool. I really like this. And that was all for today. So guys, that was your unboxing for today for Matchbox. Do let me know which one is your favorite, which one you like the most out of these three. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.